Here and welcome to Forex Blue Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market for fundamental, that means news analysis for the gold. And basically gold is depend on always USD, that's why we have to analyze the USD news. Okay, and before we start we need to see fundamental area. As you can see there is a lot of news in upcoming weeks, and basically we have two major news in this upcoming week, and one of them is Tuesday is ISM service PMI, another one is Thursday, which is USD unemployment claim. And this is the very important news, so we have to focus those two news in upcoming week. Okay, before we going to start, we need to keep in our mind few things that is new. Basically news comes with two type data. One of them is positive data, another one is negative data. Okay, and for positive data, if news come with positive value like green 0.5%, green to 45k, that means that is sell for gold. And another one is negative news, that means if data come with a red 0.5% or red to 45k, that means negative news, and we will buy for gold in that case. Okay, and we have to focus on USD news as I said before. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, let me explain that. As you can see there is two things you have to keep your mind. One is gold value is always fixed, that means constant, and USD value is always changeable, that means USD value is variable. You may know that currency value can up or down, but gold value always fixed. So we have to focus on currency. If currency value go up, then gold will go down, that means gold value go down. And if currency value go down, gold value will go up. Okay, and as you can see there is two triangle, one triangle of invested dollar, another triangle of gold. Okay, gold triangle is always constant or fixed, and we have to focus with USD triangle. Okay, suppose news comes with negative data like red 5% or red to 45k, that means minus 5% from previous triangle. Okay, there's minus 5% from previous triangle. This triangle will be 5% smaller than previous, and in that case gold is bigger than this triangle. Okay, and we have to buy gold in that moment. Okay, and in another case, as you can see that if we plus 5% in previous value, that means previous triangle, if we add plus 5% plus 5%, that triangle will be this one, that means 5% bigger than previous one. So in that case gold is smaller than USD, that means sell for gold. That's why we have to sell gold for positive news, buy gold for negative news. I hope you understand that thing. And let's get back into our economic calendar. Many guys are asking me, Mr. Boom, where we can get this economic calendar. You need to go forexfactory.com. okay, www.forexfactory.com, or you simply search on Google Forex Factory. You may get that website, you may get all of this data. Okay, and as per I said before, for positive value we will sell gold, for negative value we will buy gold. Okay, you have to keep your concern those two things, and we have to focus those two news. Okay, and other day, if there is no geopolitical issues, there is no Donald Trump's tariff issues, or there is no Europe and America, or China and America, and Iran, Iraq and America, and Russia and America, there is no issue with geopolitical, like a geopolitical war or something like that, or tariff related issue. If there is no that kind of issue, we have only focus on that kind of news. And without this economic data, there can be lot of news come, like Donald Trump speaks, okay, oil related issue and geopolitical issues. Okay, three things. Those three things you have to keep your concern. If any kind of news comes like that without economic calendar, we have to focus on that kind of news. And in our Telegram channel we are sharing daily lot of news analysis from the market, from the economic calendar, and from the Donald Trump, or from the dollar and other currencies relationship. So if you join our Telegram channel, link in the video description, you will get real-time update from us. Okay, and if their ISM service PMI data come with positive, we will sell gold. If come with negative, we will buy gold. Okay, and if USD data come with negative, we will buy gold. If come with positive, we will sell gold. Okay, this is the basic theory, simplest theory. And for more advanced theory, you have to join our Telegram channel. There we are sharing a lot of explanation about news, about technical and fundamental analysis. Okay, so hopefully all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fx below. So that's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.